Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and give you my first thoughts. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I decided to finally pick up the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. I've been using it for probably about 10 to 12 hours now, and I just want to go over some things with it. Also, I want to just do a quick unboxing, show y'all the different, how big this watch is, and then also compare it to my Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. But here is the watch itself though. I already changed the band. But here's the box, nice little presentation, Galaxy Watch. There's not much in here. It came in here. I didn't have a band on the watch already because I got this band here. And then in here is actually some books up there. And then at the bottom, let's pull out the charging puck. I think this is where it's at, maybe. And then here you have your charging puck with the USB Type-C. So I'm gonna put this on the side. And then I also got from them was this sports Ridge band. I kind of like the Ridge band better. So here's the band itself, the Ridge band. But I installed a band that I had on my Watch 4 Classic. So here's the 5 Pro, and then here's the 4. This watch is thick, y'all. It's definitely thicker than the Watch 4 Classic. You know, the Classic has the rotating bezel. This one, you gotta kind of get used to it. It has the fake bezel, I guess, or artificial one. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Digital one, which ain't bad. It is kind of light though. I mean, with this band on here, it's not really heavy at all, so that's actually a good thing. But let's go over the watch. You have your power button and also a back button. This is a back button too, or like a home button. Then you have a mic. You also have some speakers here. Then you have all the new sensors, and the sensors down there. It looks like you have a mic down there too. It's 45 millimeters. That's the Watch 5 Pro. It is made out of titanium sapphire crystal. The battery on the Pro is 590 milliamp hours, so it's a pretty big battery. I've seen people getting on Twitter like 3 days worth of battery life, so we'll see. This is the Wi-Fi version, so I didn't get the LTE. I don't need that. It comes with 1.5 gigs of RAM. 16 gigs of storage. It has IP68 water resistant. It has Wear OS 4, so Google and Samsung coming together again, working on a watch OS. You know, they used to use Tyson all the time, or Tizen, whatever you want to call it. Tyson, right? But yeah, she is thick though, but it's light. We'll test out the battery more. I want to use it more. I just wanted to give y'all a quick thing. If you swipe down, you have your settings and stuff, and you can change your brightness. It's definitely on Wi-Fi right now, Bluetooth to my Fold. It does have a lot of watch faces, just the normal things you expect from Samsung. So yeah, I just want to do a quick unboxing, give y'all like my first impressions of it. So if you, like I said, if you scroll over, you can see all the sensors it has: body composition, sleep, weather, which I need to add, ECG, heart rate, and stress. You can add more tiles to it. I'm gonna have to get used to that artificial bezel or digital bezel, whatever you want to call it. Because I do like the rotating bezel, really do. Let's see on my wrist. So this is on my wrist, so you can see that, she is thick. She is real thick, but it doesn't look bad though. It really doesn't. I kind of like it, and like I said, it's light. It's not really super heavy or anything like that, so I think it's actually lighter than this, so we'll test it out more. I'll probably come back with like maybe a week later and a final review. I'm gonna get a glass screen protector, maybe a case for this. But this has just been a quick, walkthrough, first thoughts. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, also the Z Fold 4. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day. Watch 5 Pro.